Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and maybe replace the front bumper on Volkswagen Passat 5.5. There's a couple of bolts holding the bumper on the side and on the front. To make it easier to remove the front bumper, first we're going to remove the two front wheels. Next, we're going to remove the bolts for half of the mudguard in order to move it out of the way so that we can remove the bolt for the bumper. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the mudguard is out of the way, there is a bolt there that we can see that is holding the bumper to the wing. Next we go to the other side and we do the same. That's the bolt right there that's holding the bumper to the wing that we need to remove. Before we remove the bumper, first we need to remove this bonnet puller. First we're going to remove this plastic holding the bonnet puller to the grille. In order to release this bonnet puller from the grille, you need to press these two taps and it will release it from this grille. Next, we need to release this bonnet puller from the bonnet lock. We need to bring up this metal clip right there, and then afterwards we need to open the bonnet puller and release it from the bonnet lock. I'm using two flathead screwdrivers in order to remove this bonnet puller from the bonnet lock. And that's the puller out. Now you can see what it is exactly. We need to open this part of the bonnet and just take it out afterwards. Next, we're going to pull out the two sides of the bumper. But before removing the bumper completely, first we need to remove this grille, because there's a couple of bolts holding the bumper in the middle. In order to remove this grille, we need to press the tabs here where exactly I'm putting my screwdriver in. There is 3 or 4 tabs that I need to push in, and the grille will come out. Now that the grille is out, we can see 4 bolts holding the bumper. First we need to remove them, and then we can take out the bumper. Now that the bolts are removed, I can take out the bumper. We just need to pull it out. And when we pull it out, there is a couple of electrical connectors that we need to disconnect. And then we can remove the bumper. And that's the bumper out. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.